What's up everybody? Today we're back with another Primal ice cream recipe. Today we're going to be making a mango pineapple sherbet. This is great as a treat on a hot summer day. It's great for kids, especially if you want to get some collagen into their diet, and it's very easy to do. It only takes a few ingredients. We're going to start with some fresh fruit. I've got a pineapple and I've got some mango here. You're going to want to cut up about 1 to 2 cups of each. So 1 to 2 cups of pineapple and 1 to 2 cups of mango. Once I've cut up my fruit, I'm just going to throw that into a high-speed, powerful blender, something like a Vitamix. I've got a Ninja Bullet here. And then I'm going to take some of the Primal Kitchen Mango Pineapple Collagen Quench. I'm going to put 4 scoops in mine. That's gonna be 20 grams of collagen total for the whole batch. This stuff isn't very sweet, but it's got a nice flavor. So it might seem like a lot, like you're gonna be making it super sweet, but it's not. And then the last ingredient I'm going to add is just a little bit of coconut cream. I'm going to add about a cup of coconut cream to my blender. And once I've got all my ingredients in there, I am just going to blend it for a couple minutes. Once it's all smoothly blended together, I'm going to pour that into an ice cream maker. I'm just gonna let that churn for 15-20 minutes until it really starts to solidify. And so once it's done churning, it's still gonna be a little bit soft, slushy. So I'm actually going to throw it into the freezer for about 20 minutes, give or take. And so I've got a bread pan here. I'm going to move my mixture into my bread pan. Just anything that you can toss in the freezer, I'm gonna put it in the freezer. Once it's been in the freezer for about 20 minutes, it should have a really nice texture. It should firm up, but be very smooth and creamy. It's ready to eat. I'm gonna call down my daughter, Vanessa, to do a taste test. Let me know what you think.
Mom! Where's my mom?
You think Mom should try it? Well, you try it first. What do you think of it?
It's good.
She says it's good, so it's a winner. And if you want to pick up any of the Primal Kitchen Mango Pineapple Collagen Quench, you can get it at primalkitchen.com. Just use the code HELLO20 and you'll get 20% off your entire order. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.